So Tim, you're going straight tobacco on this?
Yep. Just gonna throw
It's a
some.
HyperTone Stain tobacco, beautiful brown.
So chip brush, sponge brush for stairs, small areas. Either one works fine. I just in my open area, I like the roller because I'm moving.
Yeah.
I'm able to deal with bevels. I'm able to get it on consistently. I don't have to fight working it. Obviously, the longer it takes to stain the floor, the more opportunity there is for issues with lap lines. Simple as
And
that.
as far as, I mean, we don't do it, but like buffing on stains.
Can be done.
Okay.
Yep.
But it's still going to be easier to do what you're doing. Roll it on, wipe it
When
off.
you're training your guys to get used to a product, I always like to take the simplest route and then advance from there. The thick white pad you got sitting there is the key to buffing in the stain. It doesn't get hot. You aren't looking at trying to spread it out from there. So the key when you're buffing this product is either lay down a strip of it with a roller and pull it off from that,
Gotcha.
or roll it as tight as possible, spreading it as tight as possible, and then using a buffer to basically even it out. But you'll treat it more like a penetrating oil, where the concept is to buff in uniform
Yeah.
instead of to try and saturate it and pull it off.
Yeah.
I love that color. That's just straight, right out of the...
Yeah.
We do really like what tobacco seems to be doing for people, because it's creating a nice dark brown without having a heavy
Heavy and
black,
soft grain, right?
which is what you've seen with other options.
Yeah.
It just turns to dark black. So what I started kind of playing around showing guys is, if you want to try and find a way to nullify that a little bit, take our white with the tobacco, and we're not talking much. You might be a 12 to 1, 15 to 1, maybe as much as 20 to 1, depending on your species. And it gives you then the ability to alter the brown, not radically, but enough. It gives you kind of that, I'm gonna call it muted, but it's just a soft. Just softens it a touch. I don't know. That's the one thing that used to strike me as being funny, is when a designer would call me up and say, I just need it muted. Define that.
Exactly. That's, everybody's definitions mean
Yeah.
different things to different people.
What does that mean? I'm gonna go a little heavier. Just so we can exaggerate the effect.
So this is a mixture of HyperTone Stain tobacco and white.